Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Volkswagen Beetle easy. First, let's start with the basic structure. Draw a large, slightly flattened oval for the main body of the car. Below this, add two smaller circles for the wheels, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Then, connect the top of these wheels with a gentle, upward curving line to form the bottom of the car's body. This simple foundation will guide our entire drawing process. Now, let's refine the shape by adding the windows and fenders. Sketch the front and rear windows, making them proportionate to the main body oval. Next, draw the iconic rounded fender shapes around each of the wheels, giving the Beetle its distinctive profile. Finally, add a gentle curved line across the front of the car to define the hood, connecting the front fenders. These details bring the car to life. Moving on, we'll add the essential features like lights and bumpers. Position two prominent circular headlights on the front fenders, ensuring they are symmetrical. For the bumpers, draw simple, slightly curved lines across the front and rear of the car, just below the body. Don't forget to add a small, curved line at the back to indicate the engine cover. These elements really make it look like a classic Beetle. For our final touches, let's add the smaller details that complete the drawing. Sketch the door lines, door handles, and a small side mirror on the driver's side. Enhance the wheels by adding hubcaps and some simple tire treads for a more realistic look. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Erase any initial guidelines, and you'll have a fantastic, easy-to-draw Volkswagen Beetle ready to show off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.